Hey everybody, welcome back to our Lifestyle Family A and B channel. Today I will be making another recipe. It is tzatziki, a Greek yogurt dip. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you snap a pic of the ingredients list to use as you work through the recipe. This is delicious on pita with fresh vegetables, roast vegetables, so I hope you guys enjoy. Now let's get started. So first you're going to cut and finely chop a clove of garlic. You can use fresh or you could use minced if you don't have fresh. It's really important that you don't forget to put it in the lemon juice early in the recipe because that takes away that bitter flavor that garlic can sometimes have. If your cucumber has big seeds in it, definitely want to cut out the center and remove those. Mine had really small seeds, so I did not have to do that step. And you may want to grate it over a bowl because this is going to make a lot of water as you're working. So the cucumber water that comes out is not something you're going to need for the recipe. However, it is very refreshing. You can mix it with mint, with ginger, or with lemon for a refreshing beverage. So there I have my ball of cucumber, and you want to get most of the water out. Otherwise, you're going to have a soupy, watery dip, which is not very pleasant. For salt, I think I put in about a half a teaspoon. But you may want to test that out for your own taste to see what is going to work best for you, since everybody has different tastes when it comes to salt. If you don't have fennel fronds, you can use dill. You can use fresh dill or dried dill if that's all you have. Make sure you separate out any stems though if you are using fennel. You definitely don't want any big stocky chunks. So there you have it. If you eat it right after you make it, it's not going to have the full flavor. If you leave it overnight in the fridge, it will develop a really good full flavor and everything will mix well. If it's a little watery, you can put a paper towel on top to absorb the water. Here I've added olive oil. So thank you so much for watching my recipe video. If you like, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.